Bagi khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Chairman jang Meghalaya State Health Advisory Board ba Mineral Bonds im obadero u MLA jang UDP na Nongpoh constituency lapan pau ya jing Kyrmen ba jing kran Pynbeit yo port Assam ka sedang biang tang syukut ke Elekshon ha jala Assam kawalang mantau banai ha jing kran megilat thai khubor kan re tor yayong arjar pun rio uba meral ula ong ba udan ka jing Kyrmen ka baskem banda lawan ka sarkar bthamai Assam en sa syong bani Pynbeit no yo port Assam khnang ban weng no ya jing e ka bagi pajba kilia kandu dagi pause nem.
Yes, I am very optimistic that as soon as the electoral process in Assam will be over, voting is on the 9th this month, April, and as soon as the result will be declared, new government will be formed. I hope that talk will resume to address the long pending dream and aspiration of the people of the state. So this is a continuous process. Both government from the chief minister level, regional committee level, district administration level, police, law enforcement agency level, they are very vigilant and ensure that peace and safety and security of the citizen at large has to prevail. This is an endeavor and always it will be there on both sides of the government. So incident happened that we cannot deny that it's not happening. It is happened, but we have to address accordingly in due course of time. Yeah, that's what I'm telling. I have told you that we are very optimistic that the government of Assam, new government, will listen and will have both side discussion to resolve as soon as possible.